Hello, humans of the world. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you an aha, a takeaway, a perspective that you can begin using today to help you in your quest to live a more simplified life. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to the Sorry Not Sorry Life, inspiring you to live life on your terms, completely and unapologetically. Because life is all about feeling good, so let's get this party started. See you in the video. Hello, humans of the world. It's Aja. So today I was thinking about how wonderful it is to be able to go to my closet and pull out exactly what I want to wear and know that I look good in it, I feel good in it, and what that just small little task has allowed me to do in regards to decision making. So it actually has taken, because I've like decluttered my closet and simplified that part of my life, it actually has allowed me to be able to be more creative in other areas of my life. Because, you know, as humans of this world, we have so many options to go into the grocery store thinking about, oh, which one of these peanut butters should I pick? Or what kind of laundry detergent should I use? Or we have a lot to decide. And all of the advertisements that come on the radio and on TV, even on YouTube, you know, there's a lot of information that we get hit on a daily basis. And there's a lot of options that we have. And in this world today, we're overwhelmed with options. I remember watching something one day where it was talking about going to the grocery store and having to choose what kind of jelly to get. The options were just astronomical, right? When it didn't used to be. It used to be grape, strawberry, peaches, peach, things like that. And now it's just like everything. So I can understand how wanting to slow down and simplify your life is something that you definitely want to try to have more of that added into your life. And when you do, then it just allows you to put the decision-making process on the things that you really, really need to have a decision-making process on. I mean, what you're going to wear today for me is just not a huge priority. I can understand if you are one of those people who love to shop and you've got tons of shoes and clothes and purses and jewelry and all those kinds of things, and you want to be able to change up your outfit every day, then maybe this kind of a lifestyle, or should I say, simplifying that part of your life probably isn't going to be the best thing for you. If that's your thing, if clothes are your thing, then simplifying your life in that area probably isn't going to be the best thing for you. But maybe you're a person who really does not enjoy cooking. You don't like being in the kitchen. So maybe simplifying your life in that area might be where you might want to start. So what that again allows you to do is when you are taking the guesswork or the decision making out of every area of your life, it just allows you to apply the decision making processes that you create in the areas that really need them. Okay? So that's my action step for you today. My perspective for you today, my aha takeaway is, what area in your life can you actually simplify in a way that will actually bring you joy and happiness? Everybody's lifestyle isn't the same, so where you choose to simplify your life may not be where the next person chooses to simplify their life. So it's really all about where you choose and what's best for you. So I love to hear that in the comments. What section of your life are you going to begin simplifying? What is the best space, place, area, section, wheelhouse? Which area of your life are you going to start the simplifying process so that you can be at your best and leave the decision making to the areas that need it, that really, really, truly need it? All right, so that's it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe if you have not, and please comment, like, and share this video. And you never know who might have needed to hear this message today. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.